Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. In this video, we'll be making these simple, delicious orange stick cookies. We will start by adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour into a bowl, half cup of cornstarch, and 2/3 cups of icing sugar. Mix very well to combine. Next, we will add the zest of 1 orange. Only the orange part is needed, do not add the white part. Next, we'll add 130 grams of soft butter. If your butter is not soft, put in the microwave for just 10 seconds. Next, we will juice the orange. I will be using this to juice mine. Feel free to use any juicer of your choice. After that, we add 4 tablespoons of the orange juice to the flour mixture. Then, we add few drops of vanilla flavor. You can replace this with orange flavor if you have. Mix together using your hands. Mixing with your hands makes the dough come together quickly and easily. After mixing, you should get this consistency. Next, lightly flour your work surface. Transfer your dough to it, roll out with rolling pin to 1-inch thickness. Cut off the rough edges and set aside. Next, cut the dough into sticks. After cutting, yours should look like this in shape and size. Transfer to a baking tray layered with parchment paper. Bring the rough edges you set aside earlier. Mold into a ball, flatten with your rolling pin and cut just like you did in the first one. Bake in the oven for 15 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius and 300 degrees Fahrenheit. After baking, your cookies should look like this. Now for the fun part, dip the cookies into melted chocolate. Remember, orange and chocolate combination is a match made in heaven. You can never go wrong with it. If you like this video, please kindly subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. It will really encourage me to move forward. Thank you. You can drizzle some more chocolate on it to make it more pretty. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be recreating this recipe at home. I would also love to read about your suggestions, about your recommendations, and about your questions. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one.